One day I talked to my father. He said to me, Aisha, don't try to be a god. Qasim was born 2008, 5th November. At that time it felt that my life is perfect. So I had everything in my life. 4 cousins थे जो इसके on age थे. They were achieving their milestones. Crawling है, walking है, they were doing it. और जो कासिम है, he was delayed in those things. He was living in his own bubble kind of thing. The doctors totally ignored the thing and they said हर बच्चे को हम 2.5 साल का टाइम देते हैं तो वहमी हो रही हैं. We all knew there was something not right with him and red flags were there. Qasim के जो behaviors हैं they were like too much. He used to hit, he used to bite terribly. Or when he turned 2.5, I just googled it on internet and I know he is with autism. After that it was just doctors, everyday appointments, the nights filled with devastation, and perfect world of mine has just fallen apart. Alhamdulillah, I had a very supportive family. We just started looking for cure. डॉक्टर्स क्या हैं कि होम्योपैथी डॉक्टर्स पीर फकीर हो जाते हैं, दम दरूद हो जाते हैं. एंड वी वेंट एवरीवेयर. ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम पीरियड इट वाज जस्ट हिम फॉर मी. आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से इसी में गोल्ला की बेहतरी होगी. इफ ही गेव मी माय सन विद ऑटिज्म तो ही मेंट इट फॉर माय betterment. So I never ever questioned कि why me or why my son. वो टाइम था कि when I decided कि कुछ करना है तो मुझे खुद ही करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को equip. I decided to do my further studies or my MA special education. There was around 5 to 6 years gap in my education, मेरी graduation में और मेरे masters में. But I didn't know that it will totally change my life, my direction. It literally changed my world. Sort of paradigm shift was there. It was like I knew that now where I have to go. And I devotedly, I just studied and studied and studied. I graduated with a 4 CGPA. I started doing my internships. When I got interacted with other students just like my boy, meaningful change के लिए मुझे काम करना था. I selected the Cornerstone School and Roots and Wings Autism Center. I have achieved so much for the community of autism and I have touched so many lives. जो कुछ भी मैं आज हूँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने बेटे के वजह से हूँ. He is a blessing in disguise for me. Grateful to Allah Almighty for selecting me and my son, that He has chosen us for this cause.
Ayapur. Brooklyn. Ayapur. Bye bye.